Today, we're going on another trip to Montego Bay, performing at the Roots Reggae reception at the conference center. Stay tuned for some exciting moments. So watch this now, people. Kasdan are the first one for knock out today. Now Xpressionzja and Kasdan knock right out. You know, say the first me see so much traffic and it told forgot what you do. And come like it nah move. So you know, spot of the driver for the day. And me run a back. I hope and pray to God say me no feel sick.
No, yes, everybody are doing it. No, when we're done, you know, because so you need to take your breath when you're done. When you come back and when you go.
What should I try step on camera, Dada? What you mean?
What you say?
If you need to try catch a breath. What you mean, like a boss? That boss start?
He might talk, no, he might talk.
It's true, me a talk, I'm the only person talking on a dance people. So
Alright, so that's
time,
over.
fry out.
Yeah.
Him fit man, enough people can't dance and
Him not fit no man, but him fit man. Him not fit no man. Yeah, do. Can't do that. I lose that all this time.
Now use the water.
this is what you call big booty and damn! Damn! This is not a 27 second that one I want. Five, 6, 7. A big change.
But don't worry. That's how when we ease up back out of the vein. That's how when you lick me.
John? Alright.
You hear him?
Yo, got the
People,
laptop,
when
so.
the ear cuts down. So, sir, oh, me move to Chrissy. That's how when me let her go. Me say after me spin out after the lean.
That's it, that's it. You're good. Sure. Okay. Just ever do something out of the ordinary. Well, I'm gonna tell you. One shot. You know? Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. The back breaker. You know, figure that too. Swag attitude.
Because you dance with she first and
I'm not lie, the place look really good. I like the settings, just peaceful. Yeah man, it's nice bad.
Outside, alright?
My bro.
Fully, you know, don't have to like a tourist.
Joke.
Dead. Trouble. Alright. So they have it running on the stage, no?
What I name? Sound check.
Sound check.
fish. You know what I did for set here?
Yeah.
Wait, I would see it again. When you zoom in from my face, yeah, when me, Bubble, I was for the inner shop.
Jesus.
I'm going to tell you, say the light. Reflect.
After the fire.
Shut me, reflect.
So you zoom into the fire.
And Barry
Your
zoom in.
bird. Your fire zoom in from the lens. So when I time I try to do something with your fire, you kept doing this. Tap and jump.
The fire just jump out for the camera.
Jump out. I just want him to do me. See that? See that? Watch all the angles. See that angle here now? Hold on. See that angle here? This. Ching!
Cheeks off. Cheese off.
At the light, did I talk about too? Oh. Say that shine from the fire.
It will land
I want
more.
back in our walk for your pan camera.
Alright, so you guys saw everything except the food. But guess what? We don't know so the food after in it, right? So you know what spot over that side, you know. I want my mom to take on some of the food, you know. After me they are wait for eat. Them a take too long. So me first everybody I'm not lie. Me did hungry. But guess what? Me could hold it no more. So me in a attack mode right now. Alright, so them said it's a rasta pasta. I could test it out. It's spicy. But it can go on. I don't know why no. But boy, look like them said pepper for me.